What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Wreck Rebuilds. Today we're going to be working on the frame and the subframe because we got a lot of pulling to do. Chris, say what's up.
What's up?
He's already working on getting those rocker panels off to get those clamped up onto the frame machine. Just because these rockers, they go all the way, they wrap around and underneath the clamps, so there's no way of properly clamping this car down without removing these rocker panels. So Chris is already working on that over there, way ahead of us. These are what we're going to use to clamp down the cars to this little railing here. Once that's all clamped up nice and tight, we're going to get our frame machino right over there and we're going to start pulling everything over. We do have all the specs, the proper numbers and the specs, so we're not just randomly pulling, we're actually pulling it back to the proper numbers. But yeah, let's keep it going. We're gonna start removing these rocker panels. I'm gonna go on the other side and help Chris out, so stay tuned and let's go. So what I wanted to show you guys is why we remove the rocker. We actually have to clamp it onto this lip right here, which gets clamped down from these bad boys right onto these railings right here. So if we didn't remove the rocker panel cover, there's no way we could have done that. So yeah, now that we got those off, let's get this clamped up. So there you guys have it. We have all four corners of the vehicle clamped down. That's 1, 2, there's 3 and 4. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna get this frame machine right behind me, set it up over there, and get everything straightened out. On? It's not even hot. Oh, look at that. 20 seconds to welcome. That was this ugly ass world. How was that? Oh, here we go, Chris. Let's go. has got to pull. I swear to God. Hey, there you go. Okay, stop. Okay, so it's pulling, it's flattening out.
Yeah, for sure.
But it cracked here, so I think what we'll do is hammer this down a little bit, get that welded back up, and then we'll keep pulling.
Yeah, for the most part. Woo! There you go.
I think we're pretty much there, yeah.
There. I think
we might even overpulled, yeah.
Looks like it.
Yeah. Are you right on the dot?
Yeah, right on the dot.
Yeah, we're pretty much overpulled, but it's okay. That's overpulling is a lot better, and we just hammer it back straight. Okay, let's take this off. Okay. Release. Release. We're just marking out our window. Give us enough room to get a bar in there and hang it out. Okay. Safety first. Definitely try this at home. Give us enough room to work out the other side. Bend it down a little bit more. Yeah, right there. Bar and see if we can hammer it out. I don't know. This might be too cool. Got everything about 90% of the way. We did our measurements from the earlier clip, so everything measures out nice and perfect. Now Chris is going to get that welded back up. There's a couple cracks right there that we're gonna weld back up, and also on the bottom, get this cut out, and it should be as good as new. That burns my eyes. A little bit more. Yeah, they fall here and here. That looks nice. welds are all done, so now we're gonna get to dressing these MIG welds.
Dressing it?
Dressing it, yeah. Nice and sealed up, but once we start dressing it, we might be able to see if there's any holes that we might need to fill, but looks pretty good so far, right?
Yeah, it looks really good.
Yeah. Cool. All right, I'll take over. For today, we have it pretty much all done, welded up and dressed. It looks pretty good. I'll show you guys. So tomorrow we're gonna get this all primed up just so it doesn't rust, but that's a wrap for this subframe. Tomorrow we're probably gonna get this framework done, get everything pulled over, get this hammered out and down, get these kinks all out, and yeah, so one last